Hi, so I'm back here and today we are doing a new tag as you read the title. So it's called the childhood tag. So I had done the get to know me tag and you all liked it and you all had a lot of interest. So I thought, why not do a childhood tag? If you like this video, then I can go about doing like a college tag, school life, and you can get to know me on a personal basis. So yeah, and thank you for showing so much love on my dance videos. Really, it's incredible. I didn't know that people would watch it, but thank you so much. Started with the questions. So I have my questions here. I've written it here. So first question related to my childhood is where was I born and when was I born? So I was born on 27th October 1995. I'm a 90s kid and I was born and brought up in Mumbai. I've always lived in Mumbai and I love Mumbai. I don't know any other city where to live in. Second one is a very cliche question. What did I want to become when I grew up? So I seriously do not remember what I wanted to become, but I always used to love dancing. So yeah, I think not like on a professional level, not a professional, but I just like dancing. So I thought in my childhood I would have just thought that dance all my life. So yeah, question is what were some of my favorite TV shows? So let me tell you and don't judge, please. I used to love watching Hindi serials and all those mushy love stories that used to go around. So some of my top TV shows were Kitni Mohabbat Hai, what was the other one which has Amna and Rajiv Khandelwal, Kahi To Hoga, then Mile Jab Hum Tum. These all were my favorite. Now, which was my favorite game? And I have a backstory to this also. It was, if you remember, there was a Playboy kind of a game which used to come like a video game. So what happened? So my brother, he used to love PS3 and PS2 and he used to get all these fancy games, and I never used to, because I used to like going out and play a lot. So what happened? He got it and I fell in love with it, and so there was only one Playboy. So either he used to play or either I used to get to play it, and since it was his, he used to give me less time to play. So what happened? My birthday was approaching. My birthday was approaching, and I told my father I want a Playboy, and I'm not doing anything else till the time I don't get that Playboy. So yeah, that is how we got to Playboy. So his was green and mine was no. So his was gray and mine was pink, to differentiate so that we don't use each other's Playboy. That was the level of love that I had fallen in love with that game. So yeah. The next is what was my favorite holiday as a childhood. So I remember going to Kathmandu, like Nepal, and that was one of the very memorable trip, because I think the culture was different there. Then there were all these girls with beautiful long straight hair, and we saw the 31st night celebrations there. So it was something very joyful. Okay, now comes the embarrassing moments. So I was a very simple child, so I don't have had a lot of embarrassing moments. But what I remember personally is in my school. Once what happened, we were just trying to play around and not going that march past activities which used to happen, and so the principal caught us, and he said, on the mic where everyone was on the ground, and he just pulled a bunch of us and he was like, where are you all going? Go back. So we thought go back means go back to your class, and he meant go back in the march past. So we were going right towards the class, and he announced it on the mic, excuse me, I told you to join the march past. And we were like so embarrassed in front of the whole school. Imagine, that was the highest level, and I think that was the first interaction with me and my principal. Okay, now comes what are my favorite memories, and I think we are a big family, but we live separately. So the joy of coming together, we used to have so many night outs, and cousins coming over, we going to their place to stay, and just eat, chill, do nothing the whole day, playing games. I think those memories are not, you cannot create them again, and I don't think that will ever come back, because I think that innocence is gone now. Now the most controversial is how were my school days. If I think now, when I see in a retrospection, I think they were pretty good. I was not bullied. nobody harassed me, no nothing, like no breakups and rumors and everything. But I always tried to fit in, and I was never happy with whatever group I was in. I just wanted like to be in that cool group on this, and that is the reason I just became introvert. And favorite hobbies, so my hobbies was dancing. I used to dance anywhere, anytime, whenever you tell me. Like I have, like when I used to go to village, they were literally, my parents used to be like, dance करके दिखाओ. When I used to dance, I remember I used to dance on like सैया दिल में आना रे, and also छोटे छोटे शहरों से. So those are all the songs that I've danced in front of n number of people. The favorite summer memories, and I will tell you again, those are with my cousins. So what used to happen is, as soon as the summer used to, like summer vacation used to start, my whole family, so my other cousins used to stay in village and we used to stay in the city. So for one whole month we used to go for summer vacation in my village. So what used to happen was, they were desperate to see us, and we were desperate to see them. And as soon as they know that we are leaving today, they would call us like, where have you reached, where have you reached, where have you reached. That was the excitement which we shared. So one whole month we used to do everything. We used to dance, we used to sing, we used to make birthday parties because our cousins had birthdays in summers. Yeah, that those were the times. We used to cycle, we used to buy, we used to rent cycle for like, I don't know how much, but the bare minimum I remember is like 10 rupees for an hour, and then we used to take cycle and we used to cycle around the whole village. It was a blast, like for one whole month. I don't think I ever used to go to my house also. Like I used to go have bath and then again go to my cousin's place. So those are some of my favorite memories of my summer. So hope you like this childhood tag. So if I hope it helps to bring out some childhood memories, and you remember your childhood as well. And if you do, please comment in the comment section below what are some of your favorite memories from your childhood. Till then, like, share and subscribe. Bye.